We'll show you how.
It looks a bit deeper there.
Yeah, that's okay. It's a little shallower on this side.
Okay. We go over there, Carrot. No lying down. That can't make sense.
Uh-oh.
He's not to go in and stand next to the horse's pawing.
Especially on a cold November day.
Yeah.
Probably okay in mid-August.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. This is gorgeous country. This is your home. Lovely thing.
Oh.
He's just hanging out. Harry just wants to stand in the cold water. He thinks it's really nice.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It's very therapeutic for a horse.
What do you think, Harry?
Especially if they've got
He's
some
taking in the view. They both are. Look, aren't you? You're taking.